Okay, for you to create new app, you have already know how to log in already, so no need for going for that one. So when you log in now, you click on this three line at the left corner here. When you click on apps. When you log in here, you can see here I'm having only one app here, which I name it texting app. In case for you, you will not see it here. You will not see it here. For those of you that just create the account, and for those of you that create the account, and for those of you that hide the app, you cannot see it. So if you scroll down, you see add app, then click on add app down here. When you click on add app, they will ask you, is your app on iOS or Android? It's not on iOS. Click on Android. When you click on Android, they will ask you that is your app published on or listed on a supported app store. Click on no, because it's not yet published on Play Store. When you choose no, then click on continue here. Click on continue. Then when you click on continue, they are going to ask the name of the app. So here is that just write any name. You can write your sister name, your junior brother name, or your name, because once I link the app that I create and the name I given for my back end, the name will show, and either your sister name, your name you write down is going to disappear, and it's the name I create the app and name it at my end here. You are going to see. So for me, I will just write something like Joy or Mustafa or Joe. Let me write Joe, just for me to identify the particular app. Then click on add app. Then when you click on add app, leave this one on here, the one that is showing on here, leave it on. Then when you click on add, they will say you have successfully added Joe as your app, depending on the name you have given. So they are saying what to do next to create add unit. Then click on done first. Click on done. When you click on done, they are going to take you where you can add unit. So you can see here now, you see the name of the app, Joe here. Your one is going to show. Do you see something require review? So what you are going to do is click on add unit. Click on add unit here. Click on add unit. So when you click on add unit, we have about 6 type of add unit. We have banner, we have institutional, rewarded institutional, we have rewarded, we have native advanced, we have app open. So we are needing only 4 add unit. So first of all, we are going to create the one called banner. Then click on select here, because we are going to click on banner. Then click on select. We are going to create banner add unit first. So when you reach on the banner here, they are going to ask you to enter the add unit name so that you will not forget. Then what you are going to do is click on add unit. Click on add unit name. Enter add unit name. So just write it banner. You understand? I don't want to edit this video, that's why I'm just doing it like that. So click on, just write it banner. When you write it banner, click on create add unit. Create add unit. So it's going to create add unit now. So the next thing you're going to do is now don't click on done. Click on create another add unit. Create another add unit. Then the second one you're going to create is institutional, this one here. Then click on select. So when you click on select, they are going to ask you something here. Enter add unit name. So you are going to call it institutional. Any name you can give it so that you will remember. But you have to name it institutional so that you know that this particular one is institutional. You understand? I will just write it something I will remember. So there is something here I want you to understand. Then click on add advanced setting here. Click on advanced setting. When you click on advanced setting, you can see something here. This one, frequency capping. You see this particular button now is off. You understand? So what you are going to do is click on this one to turn it on. So when you click on turn it on, they are going to ask you show no more than Then inside this box, what you are going to write it here 3. Just write 3 here. Then here, just write 5 for the next box. I hope you are following. Write 3 for the first box, then write 5 for the second box. Then scroll down and click on create add unit. Then the add unit has created. Then don't click on done yet. Then click on create another add unit. Then the third one we are needing is the third one we are needing here is open add unit. App open add unit. This one here, this very particular one. Then click on select. When you click on select, then enter the add unit name. So let's name it app open add unit, so that you will understand. Then click on create. Then when you click on create, don't click on done yet. You are going to click on create again. Create another add unit. When you click on create add another add unit, then the other one we are going to need is rewarded. Click on select. The thing is very simple. Then name it reward, so that you will know. You can where they say enter add unit, then name it reward, so that you remember. Then they are asking you enter reward amount. Here is already 1, so go write 3 here. Write 3 here. There's reason behind this. There's secret behind this. Then just write 3. Then click on create. They are going to create the add unit. Then they have created the add unit successfully. So what you are going to do is click on done. You can see all the add unit. We have app open, we have banner, we have share, and we have reward. So these are all the add unit we are needing here. So the next thing now you are going to do is click on this checkbox here. When you click on this checkbox, tell them that they should send this thing to your email. You can see the email instruction here. This email instruction. Make sure that your email is active, so that once they send the email, you can forward it to me through my mail. I'm going to send you my email. You are going to forward the add unit. Then this one now, you are going to put your own email, not my own. But when they send your email, you are going to forward it to my own email that I will send to you. Then click on email implementation instruction. Click on it. When you click on it, they are going to you see my own email here. You can see my own email here. So add a personal message. This one is optional. You understand? So make sure that the email they are going to send the implementation guide is their email is active. You can see my own email here is automatically here. So make sure that the email they are going to send to you is active. Then after you confirm that the email they are sent to you is they are sending the add unit to you for implementation is active, then click on send email. Let's click on send email down here. You can see send email. Click on send email. Then they say instructions successfully emailed. So they have sent the email. Let me go and check my email now. See whether they have sent it to my phone. Let me go to my email. So you can see now they have successfully sent the email to my mail here. You can see Google Admob. You can see the time. So click on this one here. So you can see it now. You see the instruction. You see the code here. You can see all the code. They have sent it to my phone. You understand? Then they have sent it to my phone. Then what you are going to be doing is you are going to forward it to my email. just click on it like this on your email. Then when you click on email, you are going to see forward. You can see this box here, forward. I don't know whether you understand. Let me do it again so that you understand. You see this arrow here. You see this arrow that's bending here. This arrow. Then click on this arrow here. They are going to ask you the email you are going to send, the email you want. Then from there you are going to input my email, where you are going to be forwarding the email. You understand? So here now, you put the email you are going to be forwarding. Most of you know how to send email now. If you don't know how to send email, I will send it to you. Another video how to forward the email.